Alrighty, welcome to another MQL5 quick functions video. Today is new candle opens, detecting when a new candle opens on respective time frames. I think this is probably one of the more important ones because a lot of strategies require an identification of when a candle opens and closes so that we can then get the candle closure, open, high, low, close prices, or you calculate an indicator of it, or just knowing what day it is. This is a prerequisite of being able to do that, so we'll then move into those kinds of timing techniques as well, but this one just opens up the door to understanding time on the x-axis relative to the script. So first up, what we're going to do is make a new advisor. We're going to do this one, new day. Open this one up. Perfect. So we're going to start with a brand new function, and it's going to be a boolean. So bool new underscore candle underscore open. So first one is static date time last underscore candle underscore time, and that equals 0. And basically what that is doing, it is statically setting a variable called last candle time in the format of date time, and it's setting it at 0. So basically it's just anchoring in what the last candle's value is at 0 and setting the format of it for the rest of the function. So now to get the more present data, we do date time current underscore candle underscore time equals I time with a capital T symbol. So whatever the symbol is of the attached chart, period underscore current, and then we're going to set the shift to 0 because we want it on the most recent change, semicolon on the end, new line. So now if current underscore candle underscore time is not equal to last underscore candle underscore time, bring this one down into a smaller function, then last underscore candle time equals the current underscore candle underscore time, and return true. So basically what's happening here is we're anchoring in the start of the function that it's a static variable, it's a date time format, and it's the last candle time is 0, so that it just sets the tone. Date time, we're getting the current candle time, it's setting it in the format of a date time, and it's getting the time of the current symbol on the current time frame, and it's not shifting at all, it's just setting it as is. So now if the current candle time is not equal to the last candle time, then that means a new candle has opened. So we're resetting the value of the last candle to the current candle time and then building on top of that, and we're returning the boolean as true for new candle open. Now if we compile that, we're going to get an error because not all of the valid, like not all of the paths return a true or false. So we need to then do return false, because we obviously don't want it to be happening every time. Control comma to format it all, compile, and we've still got 10 errors because we haven't added the brackets there. Compile, and that should be nice and good. So this is our little function that just gets the last time, the current time. Are they the same? If so, yes, awesome, move on to the next. Or if no, false, we're still on the same candle. Now we need a bit of a call to action, which is on tick. We're just going to do if new underscore candle open with the brackets, open the function up, we're going to print new candle open, and just to make our lives easier, we're just going to print out the date and the time of the candle, just so we know what it is relative to where it is on the x-axis. So the way we do that is time to string, which converts the time to a string, time current gets the current time, bracket that, comma, and we're going to do time underscore minutes so that we get the actual minutes as well. Throw a comma on the end of that, format that, compile undeclared identifier. It's because we didn't add a comma here. Compile. No, it was because we forgot a bracket on the end here. So now it's all compiled. This will return the new candle open. It will get the current time and include the minutes. and then it will pull from this function. So let's just quickly do a little test on the 30-minute time frame. We need to select new day, start, bring the speed down, and as you can see, here we go, a new candle open at midnight, 1:30, 1:30, 2, 2:30, 3. If we then can see that each 30-minute candle opening is printing that is the case. So now we can include that with different functions and indicators, etc., and it will do the same across all the time frames, whatever the EA is attached to the chart. So there we go, new time frame, daily candle 6/5/4/3 28/27 because of the weekend, new candle opening at midnight. So daily candle, now that means that the function's working. Again, it's referencing the boolean, whether it's true or false, based on the parameters we set. And then if it is a new candle opening, it's printing that it's a new candle opening, getting the current time, and including the minutes. So that is the new day, like detecting a new day function in MQL5. If you like the video, let me know, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.